Hi guys, Tassos here, and this is just a quick video to help you use the coupon code to get access to the quiz funnel workshop that's happening next week for free. And it's happening only once a year. This is an event you don't want to miss. Quiz funnels is the #1 effective strategy for data collection, for segmentation, personalization, for understanding what your customers need. And it's a method that helped thousands of businesses, and this workshop, it's happening only once a year, and we have the coupon code to give you access for free. All you have to do is navigate to our page here, the Web 3.0 future page, scroll a little bit, and there you go, Live 22 Quiz Funnel Workshop, June 13th, 18. It's happening only once a year, 100% off coupon code, and when you click that button, it will take you to this page, and they say coupon identified, save 100 with coupon code 100 off. So all you have to do is choose your business model, your email address, and then 100 off in capitals, and then you have to click apply coupon, and there you go, coupon applied, order total 0. So this is how it works, and here is what you get at the workshop: a full week interactive training, Q&A sessions. You choose your quiz topic, you come up with your big idea, your questions, and you build your quiz in real time. Free digital replay available through June 26, and you get resources, free resources to get prepared for the event. 18 dedicated quiz funnel templates, over 90 pages of real-life quiz examples, and a step-by-step quiz funnel blueprint, and so much more. So don't miss this event. Use the coupon code and keep coming back. On our page we are adding content every day. I have the day 1 highlights. I'm recording highlights of day 2 as well, and you can also get access to all the replays of the symposium. Day 1, day 2, day 3 replays are available. Today we have Jody Daniels, data privacy, the changing laws, how to use privacy policy as a competitive advantage. So don't miss the symposium as well. Get registered for the symposium with this link, or with this one, and register for the workshop using the coupon code, and you can find it right here as well. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Take care.